Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and the weekly security updates have arrived for Microsoft Edge. If you are also using a Chromium-based browser, you should be updated also with the latest security updates. So in Edge, you simply go to Edge in the upper right corner, 3 horizontal dots. Go into Help and Feedback and About Microsoft Edge. You will be moved on to version 143.0.3650.139. The blog post has not been updated yet, but I'm pretty sure this must be the security updates. There's also an update yesterday for those that are on 142, which is the extended support version. Some of you might have stayed on the extended support version rather than moved on to 143. That also had an update, and it just says various bug fixes, but I wouldn't be surprised that there's a security update also. So check it out, and if you're using a Chromium browser, check out your browser. Make sure you are up to date to the latest version. These security updates are very important and, of course, prevent any problems from happening when you're surfing on the internet. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.